Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to diagnose a Toyota Corolla. Begin by performing a thorough visual inspection of your engine bay. Look for any obvious signs of trouble, such as fluid leaks, frayed wires, or cracked hoses. Pay close attention to belts and pulleys. Next, start the engine and listen carefully for any unusual sounds like knocking, hissing, or squealing. These initial steps can often pinpoint simple issues quickly. The next crucial step is to use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner. Locate your vehicle's diagnostic port, usually under the dashboard, and plug in the scanner. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. The scanner will then read any stored diagnostic trouble codes, or DTC. These codes are vital clues, so research their specific meanings to understand what system or component is reporting an issue. Once you have the codes, or if there are none, move to more advanced checks. Test your battery voltage. A healthy battery should read above 4 volts. Next, verify all fluid levels, including engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid, ensuring they are within the recommended range. Finally, remove and inspect your spark plugs. Their condition can reveal a lot about engine combustion and overall health. Toyota Corollas often experience specific issues. For example, a faulty mass airflow sensor can cause poor engine performance and check engine lights. Oxygen sensor problems are also frequent, leading to reduced fuel efficiency and increased emissions. Addressing these common culprits early can save you time and money. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.